holes on the top and a big hole on the bottom. Make sure it's a small brown Play-Doh can. Put it in there, and then you have a pepper shaker. All you have to do is push. See? See? There's pepper. And then there we go. We have all of our stuff that we need on our drink.
Yeah, I'm three little ones.
Except for the stuff that we're sharing.
Yeah.
We have a microwave there.
Yeah, it's our microwave, our own microwave.
And we'll take you guys over there once we are done and ready to cook our food.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. I'm starting on this little can of purple.
And I'm going to be starting with one of something like this.
She's just getting a toy to get us
A molder.
yeah, a molder.
I'm trying to get a Play-Doh out. Okay, here we go.
So I'm just getting my Play-Doh out right now.
My dish is gonna be some spaghetti, and I need yellow. I didn't get my yellow. I didn't get my yellow yet.
Yeah.
There's my yellow.
Yeah.
My dish is going to be spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Oh, I forgot my sauce. There we go.
Don't even know.
Spaghetti, and then my drink is gonna be either 2 slushies or some soda.
Yeah.
I
Why you could put your can
I gotta get it on the
down
right setting.
on the floor?
The noodle setting.
So I'm just getting this ready.
There's toy train, a duck, and a baby. But I'm not gonna be using. I'm gonna be using this. The thing where you push down. It looks like a shoe though.
Yeah. But
So I'm gonna open the
goes
Play-Doh.
down with stuff, right?
I'm gonna open the Play-Doh. Put it right there. I'm gonna take this knife, and cut down, and take a little piece. Yeah, guys, tune in to our next video
Bella, can I have this?
because our next video is gonna be making
Bella, can I have
slime.
these? Can I have these things? Bella? 'Cause I
And
need-
make sure you give this
Bella,
video a thumbs up and subscribe.
subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
We're not gonna see you next time though yet. We're just gonna tell you that.
Well, I'm just starting with this. Bella, I need the knife.
Yeah, sorry.
So I need to cut right.
That's just our dog squealing.
Yeah.
Yep. Well,
That's just
soon,
Nova. Our dog.
soon we're gonna be making some slime, maybe.
Yeah. 'Cause
Make sure you subscribe. Subscribe and we'll make slime.
Yep. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. That's what my video does.
Yep, she watches YouTube a lot. We both watch YouTube a lot.
Well, I watch it more than you.
No. Yeah, she's like the master of watching YouTube. She
Yeah,
watches.
'cause I love YouTube.
I'm gonna do it underground. Here's some of my noodles. You can see. I'm gonna continue pushing.
So I'm just making this right now.
You
It's
see
like a
my
bow,
pasta
but
so far?
and it's like a bow because it has this thing.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make some more with my Play-Doh, but this is what I have so far. What's so funny?
Your noodles. Okay.
I made the chair spin. That's our stand is a chair. This came out. Ow. Okay, I need a knife quick. Please.
Just a second, I need to cut this piece. I need to cut all these pieces.
Just let me use it quick. All I need to do is cut 2 little pieces.
All we need is time clamp to loosen.
No. All we need is baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda.
Our grandma's gonna bring the baking soda.
Yeah,
We don't
for
have-
us, because we don't have none.
But we're not gonna do it in this video. In another
We're
video.
just playing this with this, because Riley wanted to play with Play-Doh.
It's both of our Play-Doh.
Yeah. And you don't even like Play-Doh.
Yeah, I do.
You know that? You never told me.
There we go. We got some more of our noodles. I need that knife again so I can cut it off. Or I'll
Just
just
do
rip
it.
it. Never mind, I ripped it. I just ripped it. Doesn't that look like real pasta, guys?
Yeah. That really
Except for the
is.
blue spaces, because there's blue spaces because there's blue in here already. So
I need to cut this one.
I'm just gonna rip that off.
That's a dog again. I hate her because she does that.
Don't never say hate to me like that.
No, that. I don't like when she does that. It's no need.
So we got our yellow Play-Doh. Just put the rest of the yellow Play-Doh in.
She's kind of mean to me, and I'm kind of mean to her sometimes.
The dog.
No, us. Can we to each other sometimes?
So I made my noodles. Now all I gotta make is the sauce.
Riley, just pretend that's the microwave and the
Yeah, it can be the microwave oven.
and oven. So I'm done putting all these in, and now I'm gonna put it in the
Micro oven.
the oven. Oh, I will come. So now I'm gonna put that there and put that. Open this.
Oh, we need to make it close up. Redo that. She's gonna redo it again, so we need to get it close up like we promised.
Riley, if you need to cut these in here, you can, because I made some room.
Just wait, take it out. Take your thing out.
We don't need that, Riley.
No. Okay, I'm gonna move the camera here. So here we go. We're gonna take it over here. Here's our microwave oven. It's used to be a real one.
Yeah.
See in there. Close it. Beep, 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 beep. Sure. Okay. Well, her thing is cooking. I'm going to be finishing mine.
And I need to finish mine too, because I have to cut these.
Okay, I need the scissors though. Yeah. Not the scissors. I need the knife, Kaylee.
Okay, done. Riley, does that look really cool, Riley? Does that look really cool?
Yeah.
How about that noise makes the microwave go?
Yeah.
Okay, it's done.
So hers is done.
And I still need to put another one in.
And I need to get this pepper out. turn that on.
No.
I can't make that noise go on those on.
Hear that noise? That noise. Okay, now I am going to need the knife.
I gotta do this. Gotta take that off.
Now I'm starting on the pink. Just move this purple.
Okay.
And then just clean the purple.
While my pasta's getting
So I made some pasta. It's just like some cake or something. I made some cake.
It's her dessert. My dessert is going to be chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Because this is like chocolate chip cookie dough.
Yeah. And that's like a cupcake maker, but you can use it as anything you want. Right, really? Yeah. And I'm starting on some pink. I'll show you it. So here we go.
We'll get some close-ups on our characters eating our food that we make and stuff, okay? And we'll get some close-ups on our food once our food is done.
Here you go. Okay, they see my pinky color, and now it's time to make it up. So we need to make this pink and brown up.
So I got to finish my cookies. Beep, beep. I think your thing's done.
No, I have to put it in for 2 more. I need to put it in for 3.
1. Beep, 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 boop, boop. 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, beep.
No, you can't count. It's only gonna be a long time because that microwave saws a long time.
Like hours?
Like a long, long time. By the way, I like your chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chip.
Cookies. I like
Okay,
your
guys.
chocolate chip cookies.
We'll get close-ups on real people pretending to eat it too.
Yeah. I just don't pretend to eat it because it's not real food. So that's why we're the pretend. Right, guys? Okay, I'm making the crust for my other dessert because I'm making 2 desserts. One is a pie, one is a cake.
And I am taking this off.
She's just making different stuff as me. Are you making oh yeah, you're making cookies.
And right now I am trying to find some
You, where's that?
Oh, it's just no pipes. Guys, this is how it used to be. It used to be a rolling
Whoa,
pin.
look at that pipe. It's going.
Look, guys, this is how it used to be. But she took it off.
What?
This is how it used to be, right?
Well, on the orange one.
This one was on the orange one.
All of them are on the orange one. They fall off, Riley. Was it my fault?
Let me see. Maybe I put them back on.
No, Riley.
No, I just want to see what they will do once they're on.
Don't do it to mine. 'Cause I'm making mine.
Keely.
Get
slime video.